Welcome to my YouTube channel, Marketing 5.0. So we are looking at different videos in our new series on marketing, which is technology in marketing. So in this series, today we talk about very new, unique and futuristic aspect of the marketing, which you might not have heard before, called autonomous marketing. So this is a concept I have developed uh, through my studies over a period of time, which I like to share you a glimpse of it. So we will be doing series of videos based on this autonomous marketing. But today we talk about the the origin and the enablers of autonomous marketing. And in future videos, we will talk about in detail how we can use it. So autonomous marketing, we all know it is the name suggests it is a automatic marketing. So this is what in future we may see the, the company may be using it. So today, so most of the marketing initiatives are human driven. And now slowly they are bringing technology. So it's becoming technology driven. And slowly they are testing the use of artificial intelligence. So there is a kind of a shift which is happening in the marketing initiatives from the company from human to technology to artificial intelligence. So now we see how this autonomous marketing will work in the future and what are the enablers, which is leading autonomous marketing. The number one is when we are developing an autonomous marketing system, it is very important that you need to develop a system which consider and taken into consideration of the consumers. So we all agree to that the consumers are part of your business. So any marketing initiatives excluding consumers will be a failure. So consumer orientation is very important. So you may look at my video of consumer oriented marketing. So where you understand how the company needs to focus on the consumer orientation. The number two, you're not only focusing on the consumer, but you're also focusing on the other stakeholders, especially the channel partners of your business. So their collaboration is very important for the success of your business. So though you're going for the technology aspect, but at the end of the day, you need to deliver the product in physical format. So the company is not possible. It's not possible for a company to deliver products directly to consumers. So you need channel partners, either the channel partners in the physical format or in the virtual format. So the company definitely need a channel partner. So the collaborative aspects of the channel partners are very, very important. Number three aspect is a technology. So how the company is going to integrate the technology into their marketing initiatives. So we have seen many videos related the use of technology in your marketing initiatives. So these three aspects are very important. So first the company needs to focus on consumer, then the channel partner and the technology. So three aspects have to be considered when you start working on your autonomous marketing. So once all these three aspects are in place, what the company will do in future, the company will develop a system which is autonomous system, it's AI guided. We call it as a AI guided marketing advisor. So it is a personalized AI guided marketing advisor, which the company will develop in the future. That is what I am predicting. So this AI guided system will help the company to identify the individual consumers, the requirements, and this will help the company to specifically target the individual consumers instead of going for a segmented consumers. It is going for individual consumer and trying to offer value to that particular consumer by using the system. And how the consumer will interact with the system, because company create this personalized AI guided marketing advisor system, how the consumer will interact with it. So in future, consumer will also have this personalized AI guided buying advisor system, where this buying advisor will help the individual consumer to select the product and services which they actually procure. And there is an interface. So very important thing is companies need to develop an interface. So it is not possible for individual company to create an interface for all the consumers. So what I am predicting is in future, there may be a chance, there may be a third party, the technology companies which may create this kind of an interface. And this interface will help the connecting both the system, which is the personalized AI guided buying advisor system for our consumers, as well as personalized AI guided marketing advisor system. So it could be possible the companies like Amazon or Google, so those are technology forefronting companies may get into this area, which is going to be a big boon in the future. So it's going to be this sector is going to booming in the future. That is what I'm seeing, this interface. So this interface really help connecting between the company and the consumer. And here it is a kind of the perfect match. What company is offering and what the consumers are expecting. So it creates a kind of the real connection. So the the system will really help the consumers to identify the set of product and services where they get the kind of a benefit from the which company. And when the company will find out this kind of things are available, and they will trying to offer them. So here you can talk about the digital value proposition can be achieved by using this system. So this is what I am feeling. So in that case, if you see in the future, the marketing will be automatic and autonomous. So the intervention of human or the ad hoc promotions or offers will never happen. So it is going to be very individualistic, customer based, and it is going to be a technology and using of artificial intelligence oriented the marketing initiatives the company will do, and it is automatic. But only thing is company needs to frequently check the expectations of consumers from time to time through the data from the previous purchase and trying to gear up their system to match with the expectations of the consumers the future purchase, and that way they can trying to retain the consumer. So because of the emergence of this system, it may be possible to retain the consumers, but it is going to be very tough for all the companies. If the companies are not going to offer constantly offer the value to the consumers, they cannot have they cannot hold the consumers. So that is what I'm predicting in future. So in this way, the technology, there are three aspects which are very important for autonomous marketing. Number one, the company should have a consumer orientation. Number three, the channel partners. Number three, the technology. And all these three aspects which works with this two important system, personalized marketing advisor and personalized the buying advisor from the consumer and company point of view. So both are guided by artificial intelligence. So this is my thought process, and I am predicting this may happen in the future. So in that case, the company should start gearing up towards that particular initiative and be ready to take up the challenge. So once again, thank you very much for watching all the videos in this series, Technology in Marketing. So we have completed 5 videos in this series. Technology-based marketing, digital marketing mix, digital consumer behavior, and machine learning in marketing, and autonomous marketing enablers. So please continue watch all my videos, and please subscribe and share with your network. Thank you.